Wow! Oh shit! I told you!
But if I lay
Fucking
down and I
huge!
play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
So how much do you have? How many things?
Shot,
Yeah?
swimsuit,
Yeah? And then?
water,
And then?
and knife.
And then? You know what I have? Bananas! I don't use shoes. You have. Maybe I should.
Because I think if we were going in the waterfall.
Good. Yeah. Bagus! You have the map?
Yeah. So we're ready to go?
We go now.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my night.
There's no one here.
Where are we going? There?
I think so. It says Parkir. Hey, which way is it? This way?
Yes.
This way. Okay. Yeah?
No.
I'm gonna steal yours.
No. No way.
Maybe I have to regret myself.
You will.
And you're like, haha, I told you.
Yeah.
Is it good down there?
Nice, perfect.
Yeah. It's
Yeah?
Yeah.
Amazing.
That's
I think we are kind of the only ones. What do you think? Hello.
yeah.
First I thought I fucked up with no shoes, but now it's actually okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow. So nice. Damn. Okay, I should have listened. Wow.
We
Okay.
will die.
It's very far. And you're like, yeah, you should have taken your shoes. Yeah, Michael. Always fucking stubborn. Oh shit. There's a waterfall there. Oh, crazy. Look at that. Wow.
So we're coming for this waterfall.
I don't know. Wow.
There. There one more.
Oh shit, it's over there. Be careful.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh shit. I told you. Fucking huge. Wow.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Hey. Do you like it?
Fucking love it.
Ah.
I try to fix this. No. Hold this one. It's broken. I'm gonna go. Wow. It's so strong. And the lens, it's all wet. Like when you go there, you can feel the force like coming down on you, and it's like pushing you away. It's like a gun. Okay, it's time to shoot. Let's shoot some photos. You're gonna be the model.
Okay.
Yeah. We got some pictures with the waterfall in the background, like super cool. I can really recommend, if you're in Bali, go to this like Nungung waterfall or something like that. I will link it down below and comment what you think about it. This has been the biggest waterfall that I've been to, and it's like, it feels majestic when you come here. Like the other ones, they were like smaller and also cool, but this one is different compared to them. We thank this place. We got everything. Yes, we do. Let's go up. Man. There's a lot of stairs. They have a swing here. A swing is a swing. You put on it. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, we can use it.
Ooh.
Come on.
Wow.
More.
If I will kill you,
No.
it would be recorded. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Aww.
It was close, but we used them. See ya, swing. Oh shit, I almost crashed a tree. We found a hidden swing in the jungle. Very cool. I fucking love this lifestyle.
Oh my god.
I really love this lifestyle. Doing crazy shit, you know?
But you're going to Sweden.
Wow. What a cool place. Say that again, please. There's a picnic? No picnic.
I want some food.
Yeah, I want food too, but I want to see how they... Oh, but they can have picnic here and like picnic over there. This is super cool. Like guys, you look so cool. They create this like place where you can go and have a picnic and it's inside.
We can sit here.
It's reserved. We got the reserved one. Amazing. They reserved it for us. Yeah. You prepared? You're so nice. I love traveling with you. This one looks amazing. And you have nothing. You have coffee. Now it's crazy. What? I want to try.
There is.
You just do this, right?
Do you want a salad?
No, it's not super good. It's good, but it's not that I would like point. You know what I mean? Out of 5 Polynesian islands, I would give this a 3.5.
Yeah, 2.5 or 3.
Yeah, it's like around. I think around 3. Okay, so we're gonna leave, but it's like raining a little bit.
So nice place.
And it's sun there. Yeah, I love this place too. So we'll see about the adventure is not over yet. See what happens.
Yeah, we're going to catch sunset.
Exactly, that's the goal. And I see the sun over there. Let's go.
Yeah, it's okay.
We go now. It's raining. We gotta take a stop. Look at this.
My god!
Crazy. It just started to rain like,
Just 5 minutes.
yeah, like a few minutes ago. We fucking made it. We got to my favorite place, Sayuri.
Yeah.
I thought the most amazing person was Michael. Do you know him?
Aww.
Fucking love you guys. See you next time. Much love. Bye bye.